link and do customizing your grade calculations. After you have logged into your Google Classroom, please click on your classroom. Right here, you're going to have a section that says create a link. We've already created this in a previous video, but once you create that link, you're going to show it visible to the students so that they can join you. The reason for this is if you are doing tutoring and the student can't stay for tutoring, they need to meet with you. Instead of you creating links every single time, this will be a generic link that will stay here visible to the students for the entire school year or as long as your Google Classroom is around. How to customize your grade links. In this top right hand section, you have a little button that says class settings. Please click on that. You have some details about your class, the section, and some descriptions, but all the way at the bottom you're going to have a section that says grading. Here you're going to, depending on how you want, you can do total points or weighted by category. Majority of your grade books are probably done by category, so you're going to hit weighted by category. You do want to show your grade to the students, and now we can add some category grades. I would recommend that they match whatever is in your gradebook. So 35%, this is for test. This would be 35%. I now have a quiz. This would be 30%. I would have homework. This would be 20%. I would have classwork. I would do 10%. And last but not least, any projects that you may have. Again, these numbers can reflect whatever you would like for your gradebook, but this is usually what I had reflected for my classroom. I would hit save, and now my grades would reflect my gradebook. This is how you customize your grade categories for Google Classroom.